guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and this is for the week of St. Patrick's Day. So I wanted to use some stickers that I had received in a swap from a friend, my friend Crystal, who is happy to plan. They are some super pretty sparkly metallic stickers, I believe from the Dollar Tree. And then I have some washi tapes here that I pulled out. And I have this card that I had found at my mom's house. It was something that she had. It was, so I just want to cut that up. Kind of sentimental. I don't have any other kind of St. Patrick's Day projects that I would want to use it on. So I thought it would be fun to just fussy cut it out and use it in my spread this week. And then I'll just pull some stickers from my Bambi pads here. So it'll be a pretty simple entry. I don't have a lot of St. Patrick's Day supplies or paper or anything like that in my stash. So I don't even have anything like very many colors of green that I could incorporate. So I just thought this way would be quick and easy, and I can use this really cute card here. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. So here's my final layout. I decided to bring in some green paper along here to cover up some of that coloring over there, and then I added the green paper over here to kind of tie the two sides together, and then brought in my stickers from those Mambi pads and my numbers along the top here. So I think this turned out really cute. I really love this little vintage card here that I used, and I was glad that I found something that I could use it for. So yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye. God bless.